In order to get to the intervention lessons, all you need to do is log into Canvas like you always do. I've already assigned the class to you, so it should already be there waiting for you. Once you log in as a student, you're going to see all of your regular classes. Here's art, here's your regular reading class, writing, all of that stuff. Scrolling down, this is the one that you're looking for. It's called Paseo Hills Reading Specialist Shell, and it says reading groups with the picture of the kid reading right here. Click on that to get into your reading groups class. If you scroll down here, there's a welcome video from Mrs. Flores and from Mrs. C. You can watch those if you want, but you don't have to. This is where you're going to get to the Zoom link. If you want to get to the Zoom link, you need to click on your teacher. So if you're in a group with Mrs. Flores, you click on her. If you're in a group with Mrs. C, click on her picture. The password is right here. The password is reading. Just make sure that you log in at the correct time for your class. If you don't know what time you're supposed to log in, then you can email Mrs. Flores or Mrs. C. You can also ask your regular teacher, and they should be able to tell you what time you're supposed to come on with us.